My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 Volkswagen Transporter Camper. This vehicle has done just under 19,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of the kitchen area, which is complete with a cooker, sink, fridge and oven. We have lots of storage above as well as below. Moving on to the first of two double beds. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this transforms into two belted seats, making this camper 4 belts, 4 berth. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights. On the screen, using the buttons to the left, we can get quick access to radio, media and menu. To the right we have Bluetooth, Apple and Android CarPlay and voice control. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with park distance control. Just below the screen we have our AC. If you pan the camera around, we can get a good view of the pop top. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.